Ay, mga vlogs. Ay, parang ang ganda ko today ngayon, mga vlogs. Or baka ano lang to, sa camera lang. Ang ganda ko dito, oh. Parang lover. Ganyan dapat, oh. Parang, oh. Pumunta ito sa camera. Ito ko lang siya. Parang lover.
Hi mga vlogs, welcome back. So ayan, kukuha natin yung pang-ihaw, ayan, grill. Kasi, yeah, so we're gonna make a 2 pizza. Because, of course, not only Stefan is gonna make pizza. Me too, of course. I'll select this. This is forever, forever young. I wanna be forever young. It's always forever young. Look at that, it's forever.
Magpalawat ka pa. So ayan, papunta tayo sa my beach area kasi nga, magpapalipad si Stefan. It's his first time to take photograph. And we're gonna see, because we will see. But I hope it's gonna be fun, you know. As long as the phone don't get low battery, then it's fine. Yep. So much. Yep. The drone itself, but not the monitor or controller. Controller is 58%. Okay. So let's go and enjoy the day, the weather, and I love cloud. So ayan, nandito tayo sa beach area. So as we find our good spot. And look at the ocean. It's so bluish. So we're gonna find our good spot, but it's windy. But there's always a warning if the drone is in danger to take off. At least it is good for that. It's sunlight. So let's go then. And this is the weather today. Look at that. Hi mga bakla, welcome back. So ayan, nandito tayo sa beach area. And buffet, galing. And buffet, super nice. And kung tayo magpapalipad ng drone first, try ni Stefan. Let's go. Ganda na panahon ngayon mga bags. Hi mga bags. So ayan, Stefan is flying drone already. You can see. Ta-da! It's on top of us. So ayan, later na lang kami. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo sa video natin. Hey everyone, welcome back! Mga bakla. So ayan, meron na tayong cocktail. Ayan. Salud!
Salud.
Salud. Baby, my other baby is jealous. So many babies.